Mute your mic and on the videos. And sit in a proper angle. Some of the students say I am not getting. See how they are sitting properly. So see here. Your activity is there in the top. Don't talk in between. Oh, if you are talking in the middle, how should I explain? Your activity is there in the third period, not now. So whose third period is there, they will take the activity. And activity is nothing but it is surprise for you. In the activity period only, you will come to know what is the activity. So be ready with your book and pen. That much is enough. Okay, and don't take, at that time you have to on your video. So now we will start our, so you can see that here, what is the heading I have written? Can anybody read? What is the heading? National Handloom Day.
National Handloom Day.
Okay, see, what do you mean by handloom? In the previous class, I have just explained that handloom is nothing but it is a manual machine or manual, what we can say, instrument to prepare the fibers from the cotton, isn't it? So, from that threads or fibers, how the cloth is prepared. Nowadays, for everybody, there is a power looms are there. Means the looms operated on the electricity or on the with the power. But now what will happen? In the previous, before independence or after independence, there is a shortage of power. People don't know the like machines are there which will operate on the power. So at that time, the handlooms are very popular. See here, before independence, Gandhiji has given one slogan that use the Swadeshi cloths. Swadeshi means what? The cloths produced in our country, prepared in our country. So which type of cloths are prepared in our country? That is cotton cloths we can. Otherwise now you know all of you. Khadi cloths. Have you heard the word? Khadi is nothing but it is a pure cotton, rough cotton. Actually that is every process is done by hand only. So how that process is there, how they are going to use, how they are going to use the charkha, spindle, takli, everything. So where after the explanation, we are going to see one very interesting video regarding on the handloom. How the handloom operates. What do you mean by handloom? The name itself indicates handloom. Means the looms are nothing but the machines operated by our hands are called as a handloom. You can imagine that if any cloth is peeled, if any cloth is waste, for stitching that one, we are getting bored by stitching simple this much of length, taking the thread, needle, stitching. But you can imagine that just by using the thread, how the workers are doing whole sari, how they are going to weave the saris. You can imagine how, what we can say, very skillful workers. Nobody can. If I am going to sit on the loom, I cannot weave anything. And it is a very, what we can say, very creative work is there. Very hard work they have to do. You can see that the hands, always the two hands and two legs, they have to be in a motion. They have to use, you can imagine for weaving one sari, there one worker will take at least 10 to 15 days. That much it is. Headache work is there. And that much hard work they are doing. So the people who are working in the sector of handloom, they have to work very, very hard. And you can imagine their skill or you can imagine their hard work. So that is the greatest salute we have to give. We have to take on the day of National Handloom Day. Nowadays also, you can see that now our India is too much progress. And done. Everything is done with the power machines, big machines. But now also, the handlooms are having their own place in everybody because many people who have struggled in the independence, they are using the fabric prepared by this handloom. Many people are there. They are wearing only khadi cloths. Khadi is nothing but it is a purely cotton cloths. Now whatever the cotton cloths we are using, that one is also cotton, but that is not prepared by handloom. That is prepared in the power loom or the machines operated on the electricity. So you can imagine their hard work. Always they have to work with their 2 hands and 2 legs. You can imagine after working for 8 hours or so, only this much length is viewed. After 8 hours only, they are going to prepare this much. Means you can imagine that for giving the 6 feet sari, it will take 15 days. Now also they have to see if any design is mistaken, if any thread is missing, if any thread is cut, they have to cut it once again, they have to tie once again. So doing the work in a handloom, it is very, very critical and very skillful also. Any people cannot do. Only the people who know that factors, they are going to do that one. So you can see that the workers who are there in the handloom sector nowadays, even after the too many years, after 70, 80 years or so, you can see that lakhs of people or millions of people are working in the handloom sector. So how the handloom works? What do you mean by loom? Loom is nothing but it is a machine. What's going on? You are disturbing the class. So now today in all over the India, this 7th of August is celebrated as a National Handloom Day. Means the people, it is nothing but it is a, what we can say, we have to motivate the people to wear the cloths that is made up of this handloom. You can see that the fabrics made by the handloom, they are too much costly. The people ask, if I got this sari for 200, why I have to pay 1,000 rupees to take the handloom sari? This one is cheap. But you can see that within 1 minute, this sari is viewed in the machine. But to view one sari with the handloom, the worker is going to take 8 days, 15 days. You can imagine their hard work. We cannot. Even though after working for 8 to 10 hours, they can view only this much of length. Means it is a very skillful work done by these workers. So we have to motivate the people to, nowadays also you can see that too many shops are there. Now government is motivating the people and too many facilities are given to these handlooms. The workers who are working there, they will get the different facilities by the government. Their exhibitions are there. Not only saris are viewed in the handlooms, different type of towels, shawls, you can baskets, wall hangings, everything. But that is prepared in the handloom fabric. Prepared by the handloom fabric. So now within 5 minutes we are going to share one video to show what I mean by handloom. This is related to our syllabus also. Okay? See here, you don't have to talk to anybody. If you are doing like this, my attention is getting spoiled. Have you seen this type of machines? Have you seen it? No? This is nothing but this is a handloom. You can see here. This is a cotton. Cotton, you know already. See how they are using this one is the hand spindle or cutting. From that cotton, how they are going to This one is charkha. See, the, how from cotton the fiber is prepared. So this one is the here. This is the fibers, cotton fibers. From that one, see, see how hard they are doing. For preparing one fabric, see their hard efforts. Then only will come to know why this handloom saree and handloom fabrics are too much. There are ladies that both hands and both their legs to do the hard work. See how it is so good. See it? Here. This is a fabric. It is prepared here. Zip it. That is beautiful. Have you started? 9:30 only it start. Her pick something and after that you share it. Huh. Today is National Handloom Day. Regarding that, that is related to our syllabus. Lesson already was some. Sorry. Here, these threads are dyed. This in the colorful threads, colorful fibers they are preparing. See, this is what we need. They are holding that thread, reels, and from that one, once it is afterwards, because they are going to set everything. No, everything. That's why they are all handle is different, but liquid work is done on the handle. See, handle is. They are doing like this. Others are doing like that. In some, they are achieving the different. They don't want the they need handle. Handle make it enough. See, that man is doing only handle. The column is everything that I'm going to do. People are doing. See how they are doing here. The design they are preparing. Isn't it? First, everyone salad. So you also like yeah, yes. Now, instead of you see it there, many people are working on it, but now also, when they are taken again and now it's facility given by the but then also not really say lack of people still working in the private sector. Because but then also there, that's why handloom blocks are good for place. These are by handloom, everything. That's why these stocks are good for place. The power is also good. How this much only is given. After a while, there must have just a customer for other it's because for me, see after reading, it will look like this. Considering the design, you see how education, not educated, good work. You can imagine. So, it is coded. Okay. How was it? Remove that one after. That's sorry. Isn't it? No, no, no. See, it's set the thread, no, the thread length. They will come to know what sari already they get to that on the sides for one sari doesn't. Hello, all of you. Have you seen the video?
Yes, miss, we saw it, miss.
You see? How it is?
We understood that lesson,
Good, very good, excellent. What it is?
It is,
This one?
it is
Give comment. It is good or not
very
good?
easy, miss.
Good, no?
It is
Now you come to know what you mean by handloom. Handloom you come to know?
Yes, miss.
So see here, listen to me. Mute your mic, all of you. Mute the mic.
Yes, miss.
Now listen to me. See here, our second lesson get completed. Sorry, third lesson get completed, but you don't have to write anything until you check your lesson number 1 and 2 from me. You don't have to write lesson number 3 in the notebook. You come at any time in the school hours. I will check the notebook. After that, on Monday,
Yes,
Tuesday,
ma'am.
I will submit. The test is there on lesson number 2, isn't it? But that test is different.
Miss, today we can come for checking, miss.
That is in the Teach Me tab only. The test is you don't have to write anything.
Today we can come for checking, miss.
Lesson number 2.
Miss.
I have message. Don't worry.
Today is the test. When is test?
No.
Miss, tomorrow.
Monday or Tuesday, I will send the timetable. Then I will send the message. Okay.
Yesterday,
And
what activity should do, miss?
complete checking.
Miss, we should write. Miss, today we should come in.
Don't write anything. Go lesson number 3 in the notebook.
Today we should come for
Mute
checking.
your
Miss, today we
mic.
should come for checking.
Mute your mic, all Mute.
Miss, today we should come for checking, miss.
You can come now.
Miss,
Otherwise, come
today we
Sunday.
can come, miss.
Huh?
Samruddhi. Today we can come, miss.
You can come in school hours, but after school hours, don't come.
After 12 o'clock we can come.
Miss, we can come Monday, miss.
12 o'clock.
Have you done the activity? See here, have you done the activity that is told yesterday? You have to prepare one model. Now I will show here. See here, it is done like this by one of your friend. They brought for showing to you. So like this, you have to prepare. This one is too much big. You have to prepare one small model. That should be, even though this one is also good, she can stick it on 2 pages, isn't it? So like this, you have to prepare, stick on the pages of your notebook. When the third lesson will start, you have to stick this one. Okay, don't stick it now until I check. So at the time of checking, you have to bring your test paper to me. That one you have written your test paper. That one you have to submit to me. Okay? Good. Very good. So the test is there on Monday or Tuesday according to time. See here, some of your friends have done this activity. I will show you. Why you colored that one, dear? You don't have the color papers? Who is, see here, this girl also done. Good, very good, all of you. Only 2 girls has done that one, remaining all sleeping or what? On your video? Good, very good. Who has done that one now? Very good, all of you. Remaining one, I will not check the book until you stick this one. Okay, very good, dear. So like this, you have to prepare small models of the, and after that, you have to stick it in your notebook, fair book only, not in any one book. Once the second lesson get completed, then only you have to stick it, not now. Keep with you. So, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me, otherwise, we are going to end our class. The exam timetable and notice I will send in the Teachment app. Check the Teachment app in the evening. Okay. The test is there in the Teachment app only. You don't have to write it on the paper. No writing, only clicking. Okay. Multiple choice question you have to click only. Result also you will get automatically. On the spot, you will know how much marks you got. Okay. So, I will check the timetable and you will send the message. What she is doing, dancing or what. So, shall we end the class? See you tomorrow in the next class. Up to that, I will take your leave. See you. Bye. Bye, all of you. Have a nice day.